Oh man, that was like 10. That was like 9 or here. I'll try this one. All right, let's see. Oh, that was about 5. That was nothing. That was nothing. I did 5. You did 10. I tried. Heck yeah. Can you tell which one's my daughter? Probably not. I wonder if anybody could tell which one's my daughter. He got you, beautiful children. Full of it? I got a friend that's got some big jars of it, Anita.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, big jars of it. I mean, like, really, like big glass photos.
Really?
Full of it. Kind of looks cool in there, I can't lie. How far was it?
32 yards.
Nice.